Good afternoon, everyone. It is a beautiful day out today, and thought today would be the day that we take off the hard top and we put on the soft top, which is all right here. Thing is, I have no idea how to do any of this, so we're gonna wing it. And the dog is in the Jeep for the first time here. Come on, buddy. All right. Okay, so to my knowledge, that one's easy. That's easy. Then there are some screws. There are screws all right there and all right there. So here is the door screws. Not sure what the hell that is for, since they're already screwed in, but we'll figure that out. And then this is where the bolts go. I don't know, there's a bit of shadow here. That's the roof, which I'm assuming it's those four and on the other side. So I'm gonna mount up the camera in the Jeep and play some music for you, and Godspeed. All right, so first I'm going to do that. Okay, sun visors unclip here. Oh yeah, look at that. You guys see that? Go like that. Okay. Oh, you must do this too. See, that goes right up into this. So that side. So we did not look up a YouTube video, nothing. I'm winging this. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. I don't know if that's heavy or not. One down. There we go. Yep. Got that? Yep. Woo, look at that. All right, that was easy. We'll put these back here. All right, so here we are. No top, well, half a top. That's a better view. So we're just getting rid of these 3 screws. It shows that there's 8 screws. For all you Jeeps enthusiasts out there, I know you're cringing, but that's half the fun in this, figuring it out. Because we can lift this up.
See, this is different because it's a soft top, so it doesn't have the instructions for how to take it off. Like, I don't...
Oh, there we go.
Get it?
There's one. And
I think he's thirsty.
there's another. All right, so it looks like this is just the mechanical, like the electrical, and this right here actually squirts the water on the back because I got some fluid on my hand. So I got that. Okay, now it should be able to just kind of pop right off.
Do you want to lower this?
There we go. Okay, let me move the camera. We got it. Hopefully you guys get that on camera because I look like an idiot.
I think it's pointing towards
Alright. Good. The doors. At how dirty the nightmare is right now. It's an actual nightmare. But there she is. Yeah, let's just get the doors off now. There are soft doors as well, so all this shit's got to go on the Jeep, guys, which is going to be tough. But what I want to do is I want to take the doors off and then just go with nothing on for just to do it. Yeah, it's like a really nice day. So what we'll do is we'll take the doors off, then we'll go for a quick little drive and see what it's like with it just bare bones. And then when we come back, I'll put on the soft top stuff. And the soft top can roll too, right? So you can still have it pretty open. It doesn't just permanently stay. But it's a fucking mess. I mean, look at all this stuff. I even noticed that this is duct taped. So I don't know if that's a problem. I don't know what the hell that is, but sure. And then there's these back windows, and these are the soft doors. So we'll put those on too. But anywho, let's try and figure out how to get these off.
So
there we go. All right, so that right there, just like on the back. And I'm assuming same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah.
so that it just leaves the bottom hinge on.
I don't know why they would have these out like this, because that's gonna tear up the paint on the bolts. It's gonna look weird. Why would they do that? Oh, what about this? Yeah, what are they? Oh no, these are a bunch of... Man, there are screws everywhere. These are probably just so when you modify the Jeep, you can just change this piece and... We're learning slowly. I don't know what these are. Alright, we're gonna figure this out. We'll be back, guys. Alright, so our guess is, we're gonna use Google just to make sure. But my guess is we got to get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and the hinges come right off with the door. Uh-oh, I didn't do that.
Simply take the strap off of the keeper. Now that everything's unhooked, nuts are off the bottom, we're ready to take the door off. Simply just put one hand underneath it.
Ah, fuck. All right. Okay, well, we know what to do. So... we cheated a little bit. We looked on Google. And there's these up underneath. We need a torque wrench. Something like that. I don't think we have one of those. Shit. Okay, so we're trying to figure out why the bottom of these look different than what we are seeing on YouTube. And it's because we're missing the bolts. I do believe, like the bolts that lock the Jeep doors in place, they're just missing from the Jeep.
So the only thing keeping people from stealing the doors off your Jeep is that it's locked.
Yes. Yeah, so if my Jeep wasn't locked, somebody could just steal the Jeep doors. So I have to find these, and if I can't find them in the back of the Jeep or something, I'm gonna have to order them. So we're sitting there like trying to put bolts and stuff in there. Like, there's no way this doesn't screw. Like, there's no way. So anyway, take a look at this.
Dun, dun, dun.
We didn't need to unscrew anything.
I would just set it right there for now. Once we get the Jeep out, we can kind of rearrange some stuff.
Okay, so me demonstrating how to take off the door. I busted up my hand. I like moved it a weird way, and now it's feels weird. So that's not good. But anyway, there's the door. The doors are off the Jeep. Look at that. It's bare bones. And we're gonna go out. I thought we were gonna have to go get a torque wrench, but we didn't need it. I am inevitably going to have to buy one anyway because, well, actually, I technically have one down here.
I put it in the...
Oh, okay. We put it back. But we don't have the right bolt size. Like, it's in there, but it's missing. So I'd have to buy a new one anyway. But either how, or either whatever, we're getting ready to go. Jeep looks cool. Hands busted up. There's the other door. We're going to try and make room in this garage. My buddy's motorcycle's here. Over there. And my motorcycle is right there. All right, so I just played musical chairs a little bit. Got the C63 there. My buddy's actually got my truck right now, so that's why you don't see it. The Jeep, it's looking real cool. I like this. Look at that. It's got no doors on her, nothing. Oh, it's so cool. We're about to take her out. And we also brought in the back piece there, the roof, and rearranged this up so that there's room here for the bends. And we're gonna go for a joyride, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start looking at all this stuff. This just looks like a nightmare, but one way or another, it's gotta happen. So, see you guys in the Jeep. All right, guys, we are kind of off-road right now. We're just still in my neighborhood on a piece of land that's like I don't know, it's weird.
Oh my
Someone's
God.
gonna build a house up here, probably. And we're likely trespassing on someone's property. YOLO. Holy shit.
Just feels like one big four-wheeler. Jesus Christ.
Pretty much is one big four-wheeler. All right, so we're on the road. I have no idea if you can hear me or not. The doors are off, it's very windy. I forgot to wear underwear. And there's just a major breeze going up my shorts. And if somebody looks hard enough, they might see a nut. This would be really fun off-roading, like off-road. But driving around the city with no doors on, there's something off about it. Makes me feel like too exposed.
You could probably turn it on. You can turn it around in there if you want.
I'm gonna go to P.O. Box.
Oh.
I'm gonna stop at the P.O. Box real quick and see if my winch is there. All right, guys, so I'm a little salty. My P.O. Box was expired. So it expired in April. And they sent my winch back to the people because I hadn't paid my P.O. Box. I usually do it a year at a time, and it's been forever since I checked it.
I'm surprised they didn't call you.
Yeah, they didn't call me. And this package here just came in the mail yesterday, and they're getting ready to send it back. So luckily, I showed up today and paid the $190 for my year P.O. Box. But anyway, got a package here from King of Donair. So if anybody from Canada probably knows what King of Donair is, the best Donairs in the country. Let's see here. For those that don't know what a Donair is, I'll put up a picture right now. Delicious goodness. There are other things called like gyros. Can you open that? Because my hand's busted up. But I actually went and had a Donair with the owner of King of Donair.
When?
On Saturday, last Saturday. He was a fan of my car and stuff, and he's into the car community, and he invited me over, and he said, yeah, he said he'd send me some swag, so that was cool of him. So shout outs to King of Donair. I got a little hat here. It's not gonna fit, but oh sweet, they gave me shirts and everything. And perfect timing. Look at this. I needed a sweater. I'm cold out here. And look at that. We got some sweater swag. King of Donair. I'm gonna put that on right now because I'm cold. So yeah, shout outs to King of Donair. If you guys know what King of Donair is, let me know in the comment section below. Awesome. So big shout out and a thank you to one of the owners, Nicholas. I really appreciate the swag, and we're gonna have to. Well, I guess I could probably go grab a quick little bite now. I'm starving. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to call Amazon and get them to resend the winch back. So that sucks. But we got the King of Donair swag, so that's worth.
There's one in Clayton Park.
Okay.
Lacewood.
Yeah, I know where that's at. Yeah. All right, so the Clayton Park King of Donair was almost completely sold out of Donairs. They were so busy earlier today, so there was going to be a 20-minute wait for Donair meat. So we were like, oh, that's no problem. We'll just drive down to the other one. So we're just driving down to the Quimple King of Donair spot to grab a Donair because we're starving. And when we get there, we'll show you guys what we got.
Like, honestly, every day is different. Really though.
All right, so we pulled over, about to dig in on this Donair. I don't like tomatoes, so mine's just onion sauce and meat on the pita. And Kayla has got the full-blown works. So big shout out, big thank you to King of Donair. Appreciate it. This isn't a sponsored video, but you know, they hooked up, so I'm gonna enjoy this. Anyway, we will see you guys on the next video, and the next one will be getting the soft top on. So peace out.